Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic for 2025. Shopify versus Etsy. Which one is the best fit for your online business? Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or scaling up, choosing the right platform can make or break your success. Let's break it down step by step. First, let's talk about Shopify. It's a powerful e-commerce platform that lets you create a fully customized online store. With Shopify, you get complete control over your branding, from design to inventory management. In 2025, it's packed with AI-driven tools for marketing and analytics, making it ideal for businesses selling a wide range of products. The pros? It's user-friendly, scalable, and offers reliable customer support. However, it can be pricey, with monthly fees starting at around $39, plus transaction costs, which might add up for smaller sellers. Now, onto Etsy. This marketplace is perfect for creative folks selling handmade, vintage, or unique items. It's like a community of artisans, giving you instant access to millions of buyers. In 2025, Etsy's enhanced search algorithms and seller tools make it easier to stand out. The biggest advantage is low barriers to entry. You can start selling with just a few clicks and pay a small listing fee per item. But here's the catch. You're competing in a crowded space, and you have less control over the overall shopping experience since it's not your own store. So, how do you choose? If you're building a brand from the ground up and want full customization, go with Shopify. It's great for high-volume sellers. Etsy shines for niche, handmade products where community vibes matter, but it might limit your growth if you want to expand beyond crafts. Remember, in 2025, both platforms have updated their features for better mobile optimization and sustainability tools, so factor in your business goals, budget, and target audience. Ultimately, the best choice depends on you. If you're ready to dive deeper, check the links in the description for tutorials and deals. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more business tips. See you next time.